Hello to all students. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 24 blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is blood groups. Once again, today we are starting again class 12th chapter 24 blood circulatory system of humans, and today's topic is blood group. First of all, introduction of blood group is in earth or in nature, all human do not have a like blood, and it may have several types of differences from one another. Next is on the basis of antigens, human blood groups is two system. Blood group two system. First is ABO system, second is RH system. Once again, humans blood group to have two systems. First ABO, second RH system. First of all, ABO system. First is described by Landsteiner in 1900. Next is ABO system. Types of ABO system on the basis of antigen. Mostly four type of ABO system. First is blood group A, second is blood group B, third is blood group AB, and fourth is blood group O. First is blood group A. Antigen in blood group A is antigen A. Next is antibody is B. Students, antigen are located on RBC surface, but antibody located in plasma. Next is genotype is IA, IA, IB, IB, IA, I0. Once again, IA, I0. Next is blood group B. First antigen is B in blood group B. Next antibody is A. Next is genotype is IB, IB. Next is IB, I0. Third is blood group AB. First is antigen in blood group AB is both A and B. Next antibody absent, it means both A and B are absent. Next is genotype is IA, IB. Last is blood group O. First antigen absent, it means both A and B absent. Antibody both A and B. Next genotype is IA, I0, I0. Next I draw a table of ABO system. First is serial number, second is blood group, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Blood group is A, B, AB or O. Next is antigens is A, B, both A and B absent. Next is antibody, antigen located on RBC surface, antibody located in blood plasma is B, is A absent, A and B. Next is can give blood to is A and AB, B and AB, AB, A, B, AB and O. Next can take blood from A, O, B, O, A, B, AB, O, only O. So blood group O is universal donor, blood group AB is universal receptor. First is universal donor blood group O person is universal donor because in blood group O absent antigens. Next is universal receptor blood group AB is universal receptor because in blood group AB absent antibody. So students, first system is ABO system and second is RH system. RH system. First is d squared by, once again, second system is RS system. First of all, d squared by Landsteiner and Wiener in 1940. Next, in rhesus monkey, students, in rhesus word first two letter is RH, so this system is named by RH system. Next, RH is a factor or antigen, so located on RBC surface. Next is if RH antigen or factor present, so RH positive. Once again, if RH antigen or factor present, RH positive. If RH antigen or factor absent, it is called RH negative. In India, 93% people is RH positive, 7% people is RH negative. Next is a complexity in RH antigens. If parent first, parent second, male, female, male is RH positive, it means to have RH antigen. Female is RH negative, it means did not have RH antigen. During copulation, if first progeny is RH positive, first progeny or offspring is RH positive, so mother is RH negative but progeny is RH positive, so different antigen. So first progeny born normal because during first progeny number of antibodies become less amount. Next, if second progeny again Rh positive, second progeny died before and after birth because number of antibody becomes forms in excess amount, and these antibody attack on second progeny RBC. So second progeny infected a specific disease is erythroblastosis fetalis. Students, second progeny is infected to erythroblastosis fetalis. It means RBC. It means burst or broken. It means 2 months baby. So the baby is died before or after born, and this baby is called rhesus baby or rhesus child. It means erythroblastosis fetalis infected child is called rhesus child. Rhesus child. Students, erythroblastosis fetalis infected child is called a rhesus child because this child infected or died of Rh antigen discovered in rhesus monkey. So this child is called rhesus child. So today's complete is blood group and their types, ABO system and RS system. So thanks. Have a nice day.